A man gets pricked by an alien plant, but he doesn't think much of it. After he walks away, the alien plant's tentacle pulls back, taking some of his blood with it. Soon enough, the man starts feeling off. His body gets weaker and weaker, and he begins to feel exhausted. Meanwhile, inside the alien plant, a human-shaped embryo is forming. Turns out this alien plant can collect animal blood to copy their DNA and create duplicates. The injured creatures go into a paralyzed, weakened state, and then the clone tracks down the original by smell. It kills the original by burying it alive. The clone then blends in with the original's group. When everyone's resting, it suddenly explodes, spreading its corrosive liquid everywhere. Any creature that gets touched dies instantly, and their bodies become food for the alien plant. This is how these plants keep reproducing. The woman hears strange sounds behind her. Right then, the man suddenly collapses. She rushes over to check on him and finds him unconscious. She quickly uses some medicine she collected to wake him up. The man's wound is starting to swell up and get infected, and he's running a fever. The woman decides to stay put for now and let him rest. She goes off to look for firewood and food. While she's busy gathering supplies, she suddenly sees the man, but when she approaches him, he turns around and runs away. When she gets back to camp, she finds the man sleeping there. She asks him what he was doing outside, but he says he just woke up and hasn't been anywhere. The woman immediately gets a bad feeling about this. Late at night, half asleep, the woman vaguely sees the man sitting by the fire eating something. Behind him, there's a mound of dirt. Curious, the woman goes over and digs up the mound. She discovers the man buried inside and he's still alive. The person sitting by the fire eating looks exactly like him. The clone finishes eating and instantly disappears into the woods. The woman is scared out of her mind. The clone moves fast and suddenly appears behind her, knocking her to the ground. Then it goes back to the man to bury him again. The woman grabs a stick and hits the clone. It screams in pain on the ground. She pulls the man out of the dirt pile, but the clone is already back on its feet chasing her. However, its foot gets tangled up in the tent and catches fire from the campfire. The smart woman runs in circles around the fire, leading the clone in circles too, then sprays accelerant on the flames. The clone finally gets consumed by the fire.